Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's our look at our market leading stocks for the coming session. This is for Thursday, the 11th of December 2014. A pretty good down day going, and we're seeing that reflected here in the scans. We've got mostly stuff stacked up on the sell side. I think the takeaway here is the absence of any buy signals. Got a couple of deviations to the downside. A couple of them are pretty strong. Win Resort is more than 6% below the day's open. That one's making new 52-week lows, and we're starting to get volume and extension to the downside. A couple other weak names here. Alibaba's real weak. First Solar is weak as well. Moving on to the financials, we've got a fair amount of downside CPS signals with some volume here. So this should definitely be a focal point going into tomorrow's trade. Energy names are mostly very weak. Oil is down about $2.50 here as we're speaking, and you can see that reflected here in the prices. A lot of deviations here to the downside, but not necessarily a lot of signals. Market generals are pretty ugly to the downside here. There's a couple of attempts at a buy signal here, but the sells are certainly overwhelming it. Dow Chemicals having a very rough day. DOW and Caterpillar may wind up with a deviation as well. Looking at the housing names, a couple of CPSs to the downside, real weakness in DHI and Toll Brothers, but actually a little bit of better trading in Hovnanian and HOV. Transports are kind of a mixed bag. They are weak, but not universally, so you can see UPS is actually trading fairly decently today. And lastly, commodities, a little bit to the downside here. Most of these are pretty weak today, even though gold's not really moving that much. The GDX and the XAU components are all pretty weak today. Which is a little bit disconnected. So definitely keep an eye on that. When you sniff out those discrepancies, oftentimes that can lead you to a trading opportunity. All right, folks, so good luck tomorrow. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.